HubSpot tutorial: how to use HubSpot CRM as a sales tool for your business. Hi there, you guys. Maybe you're looking forward to automate your business. So, a CRM tool is essential for that. Now, HubSpot right here does a really good job. And as soon as you enter their website, as soon as you sign in, and before you getting here in the dashboard, you'll actually have to input or you have to provide information about your company. What's the name of your company? How what is your scope of work in the company? How many of you are working in that company? And what aspect of the company is mostly important to you? And after that, you'll land on this dashboard where it immediately has a demo for us to follow. So we have one of 8 tasks here. Now this right here is your CRM. So this is where you manage your contacts, your leads, your sales, and all the process involving all of those. It's where you store, the CRM is where you can store and manage your contact lists in one place. So this lets you avoid messy spreadsheets, right? Okay, so the first thing that we'll need is, of course, importing our contacts, because we cannot manage people if we don't have any people at all. Okay. So the choices that you have here when you're uploading your files is that you can get to upload your files as a CSV file, or you can just drag and drop them right here on this area. CSV, XSLX, and .xls files are all supported for this. So next is import our contacts. And then once you're done importing it, this will be your file. And okay, we're done importing all the files that we have. So you can see here is where you sort your contacts. So right now it's under all contacts. But yeah, we'll get to that later, and let's just finish this demo. Okay, so here all are your customers. They're all organized online and ready to access whenever you need them. So let's take a closer look. Next, let's check out contact properties. Okay, so HubSpot stores information about your contacts, and these are called properties, as well as basic details like names and email addresses. You can also store any unique information that you need. And after that is now you can add in a view. Add view right here is that if you want to, how many or how would you want to view your contacts? And yep, footwear customers, you can just select that, and then you can now see all your contacts that are interested in shoes. Okay, so now let's do it later. Let's explore HubSpot without data. Okay, so there are different hubs here. We have Marketing Hub, we have Sales Hub, we have Service Hub, you have the Operations Hub, all of this under free plan. Okay, now there's also a really cool button right here which lets you talk to the support team immediately. Okay, so now to import your contacts, click start import here if you already have your files ready, CSV, XSV files and stuff like that. And I don't have any contacts to import, so I can just maybe like skip this. But yeah, so 4 tasks are left. So basically you'll have to complete all of these tasks for you to start using the CRM. But essentially this is HubSpot for CRM. You get to have tabs here: contacts, conversions, marketing, sales, service, automation, and reports. HubSpot has a lot of scope when it comes to the work they can do with it. The service tab is really new to me, and it's the first time I've seen this. But anyway, let's check out the plan for the CRM function or feature. Now we're currently under free plan, right? So the free CRM tools include contact management, contact website activity, companies, also deals, tasks and activities, and a lot more features. And this is the free tools, by the way. For the marketing, you get to start or you get to enjoy paid features for as low as 45 a month. I think this is only for now. They're under promo. And this one 800 a month for the professional. You get to have additional 1,000 of contacts compared to the original 1,000. And contacts are sold in 5,000 increments of 5,000 from 224.72 a month. And the enterprise starts at 3,200 a month. You get to have 10,000 marketing contacts, and additional marketing contacts are sold in increments of 10,000 from $100 a month. So this is really for big businesses already. The sales, they have different plans for this: starter, professional, and enterprise. They also have different plans for customer service. You have the starter, the professional, and the enterprise. All are different prices. They're at different price range. So you can see your starter is at 45, professional is at 360, enterprise is at 12. For the CMS, CMS Hub starts at 23 for the starter. For professional, it starts at 360, and enterprise starts at 12. And we also have for the operations. So HubSpot is expensive, and there are a lot more cheaper options available out there. But for starters, this is already decent, 45 a month. But you can get this same service for like only 10, some even 5 when it's discounted. I think HubSpot works well for enterprise level businesses, but for starters or small businesses, I don't think that you'll have fun using this, or you'll think that it's a good deal of money for starters, because when you're starting out, every penny counts. So make sure that you put your money where it should be. And for starters, HubSpot is not the right place for that. There are a lot more CRM platforms out there that's worthy to check out. But anyway, if you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. But that's it. I'll see you again on the next video. Peace out.